Have you ever wondered why some people make a fortune doing their jobs while others barely make ends meet? Why is that a software engineer fresh out of college can command a salary far beyond what a seasoned retail worker earns? Or how a doctor's paycheck dwarfs that of an office assistant, even though both might work equally hard? Well, the answer lies in a mix of factors that influence the value society places on different kinds of work: skills, education, industry, and even geography. Let's decode why some jobs pay so much more than others. Jobs that require specialized skills in high demand but low supply usually pay more. Now, for example, right now, AI engineers, cybersecurity experts, and data scientists are in high demand, so companies pay more to attract them. On the other hand, jobs that don't require special skills and have many people available to do them usually pay less. But remember, education and skills are two different things, and we will get to that point shortly. Here is an example. This year, L&T Group chairperson said the company is facing a shortage of 20,000 engineers in its information technology and IT-enabled services businesses, and 25,000 to 30,000 skilled laborers. Yes, laborers. Now, this highlights that both highly educated engineers and skilled laborers like carpenters, masons, etc. are in high demand at L&T, one of the largest conglomerates in India. Here is another example. Now, many hiring managers complain that college graduates are unprepared for the workforce. That is because often the college curriculum doesn't meet the demands of the job market. Hence, your degree may not always guarantee a high paycheck, but your skills can. Besides skills, if your job directly generates a lot of value for a company or society, you're likely to get paid more. For instance, investment bankers manage large sums of money and help companies grow, so they get paid well. In contrast, cleaners and maintenance workers provide essential services, but their work does not directly generate income, so their wages are lower. Similarly, jobs with more responsibility or risk usually pay more. Airline pilots and CEOs have people's lives or companies' futures in their hands, so they are paid more for the high stakes of their roles. According to Upgrad, one of India's leading online skilling, training and education platforms, these are the highest paying jobs in India in 2024. Number 1, Marketing Director with an average salary of 47.5 lakh rupees. Then we have Pilot with an average salary of 36.5 lakh rupees. Then Software Architect with an average salary of 31 lakh rupees. And Judge with an average salary of 27 lakh rupees, among others. Now remember, these are average salaries. We also have CEOs getting paid in crores. Jobs with less responsibility tend to pay less. For example, an office assistant usually doesn't make major decisions, so the pay is lower. Geography also plays a crucial role here. Jobs in areas with a high cost of living often pay more in India. For example, a software engineer in Bangalore or a financial analyst in Mumbai earns significantly more than someone in the same role in smaller cities like Indore or Jaipur. Now, this is because salaries are adjusted for the higher cost of living, housing, and competition for talent in these metropolitan areas, where companies often have their headquarters or major operations. But
with great power comes great responsibility.
Yes, with greater opportunities come greater responsibilities. And to thrive in metro cities, you need to amp up your skills, which brings us back to our first point. Now, you may have heard of some unconventional jobs that pay surprisingly well, like marine divers, food stylists, and wine tasters. That is because these jobs require highly specialized skills, and not many people are equipped for them. They tend to pay more. Besides, jobs in booming industries like technology, finance, or pharmaceuticals tend to pay more. But how do you stay updated with trends? Well, Business Standard keeps you covered with the latest in the world of business, markets, and the economy. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Now, software engineers earn well because the tech industry generates a lot of revenue. Jobs in industries with thinner profit margins like hospitality or retail usually pay less. For instance, a waiter in a restaurant earns less because restaurants often operate with low margins. So, how can you earn more? Focus on learning technical or specialized skills that are high in demand but low supply. Globally, fields like artificial intelligence, data science, cybersecurity, software development, renewable energy, and cloud computing are booming. Upskilling or reskilling in these areas can significantly increase your value in the job market. Simply put, it will make you more relevant. But if you're aiming for careers like doctor, engineer, or lawyer, investing in your education is crucial. Besides, certain industries like technology, finance, and healthcare offer higher paying roles due to their rapid growth. Choosing a career in one of these industries can lead to long-term earnings. Additionally, moving into management or leadership roles significantly boost your earning potential. If you have a specialized skill, consider freelancing or starting your own business. Many professionals in fields like web development, graphic design, or consulting earn more as freelancers than in traditional roles. Simply put, to earn more, focus on acquiring in-demand skills, pursue higher education or certification if required, and target industries with high growth. If you like this video, follow and subscribe to Business Standard.